Last week, we talked about the RAM price apocalypse. Kaugnay dun, nag-advise na rin yung isang supplier namin na tataas rin yung GPU prices as a result of the memory price increases. Buisit na AI na yan. Baka damay pa yung ibang PC parts sa price increases. For today, we'll take a look at storage, SSD prices, kung tumaas na ba sila. They have, but not as bad.
This is Sulit Ba Saturday, where we take a look at GPU and CPU pricing data from our Price Watch tracking sheet. Ang dami pang pricing data para sa ibang GPUs and CPUs, makikita mo yun lahat dito. Or panoorin mo yung latest Price Watch episode namin sa YouTube where we break down all of the important GPU and CPU pricing trends.
Fortunately, di ko nalala yung increase sa storage. For example, Team Group G5 512GB last month around 2,790, ngayon 2,990 siya, so around a 7% difference. We are seeing double-digit increases on some models. For example, yung Crucial T500 1TB, dati 4,990, ngayon around 5,550, so around an 11% increase. And then we have the Samsung 990 Pro 1TB. Last month, around 5,690, ngayon 7,150, so that is a 25% jump. Finally, yung champion sa increase, yung AData Legend 960M 1TB. Around 5,500 dati, ngayon 8,000 na siya, so that's a 45% increase. Although we should note na yung base price that we gave for the AData Legend, naka-sale kasi yon. So in general, not so bad pa naman yung price increases for storage. Like nakita natin last week, mas malala yung price increases sa RAM. So we are seeing increases also in SSD prices, but so far they haven't been as dramatic as those in RAM prices na yun nga, mga 100% for other models. See you next week for another Sulit Ba Saturday.